You look so beautiful. Darling.
Yes, darling?
Will you?
Will I?
Will you?
Will I?
Will you really be able to get help with the cost of cavity wall insulation?
Yes. Can you give me some tissues, please? Can you tell me which is better for the environment, petrol or diesel?
I'd like to thank my mum, my dad, my agent, and I'd particularly like to thank the Energy Saving Trust for telling me the key to good compost. Thank you.
You can tell me honestly, Doctor. How can I save water in the home?
What are you talking about?
From this day forward, till death do you part?
I do.
Do you, Antonia Johnson, know that according to the Energy Saving Trust, solar panels are suitable for the vicarage?
Ask the right people about saving energy. Visit energysavingtrust.org.uk or call 0800 512 012.